Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Standing on this covered lanai, this home is a 1,800 square foot home in Clermont, and I have the clubhouse just here behind me. I'll take you over to after I show you the home. Let's go in and have a look. I'm here in Clermont today. This home has 1,816 square feet of living space. As you come into your foyer, you'll see you have a full-size bathroom here, right next to your bedroom. Big flex room you can use for your office or crafts. You have a 2-car garage. Your gathering room and kitchen. Pantry, you have your primary bedroom, a walk-in closet, bathroom with an extra large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for your clothes, organizing your shoes. Water closet. Over here is your laundry room. You have your dining, and they've made this outdoor space with a fire pit. And your covered lanai. If you're looking for a home in this area or somewhere close by, again, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'd love to show you around. Please give me a call, and I hope to talk to you soon. This is the clubhouse at the Palms at Serenoa. You have the pickleball courts, the gate leading you into your pool. I'll take you on the other side so you can have a closer look. And then we'll go across the street to the model homes that are starting in the 240s.